Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to British Standard School Online Education. I am Mohammed Imtiaz Ali, your physics teacher of Standard 6. As we are facing a very tough situation for COVID-19, and that's why we cannot go outside. So we have to learn at home through online. Hope all of you are very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to explain about electrical method. This is the best method to make magnets. Already we had explained about single touch method and double touch method. So among them, electrical method is the best one. Electrical method was discovered by a Danish scientist named Hans Christian Ørsted in 1819. In this method, a long insulated copper wire is taken. First of all, we have to take a long insulated copper wire. About 300 or more turns of the wire are wound a glass or cardboard tube. Then we have to take a cardboard tube, and that cardboard tube or glass tube we have to wound it with the copper wire, and the ends of the wire are connected to a source of electric current and a switch. Source of electric current, it can be a battery or it can be a cell, and a switch we have to connect it with the ends of the wire, and inside the tube we have to keep a knitting needle. Look, a knitting needle is put inside the tube and the current switched on for a short period of time. When the needle is removed from the tube, it behaves like a magnet. After removing the needle from the tube, it will behave like a magnet. This is about electrical method. Now I am going to explain about temporary and permanent magnets. Temporary magnets, materials that retain their magnetism only for a short period of time, are termed temporary magnets. That means they will keep their magnetism only for a short period of time. Very soon they will lose their magnetic properties. These are termed temporary magnets. And example, iron. The example of temporary magnets is iron. And permanent magnets, materials that retain their magnetism permanently, are termed permanent magnets. That means they will keep their magnetic properties for a long time. For example, steel. So this is about temporary and permanent magnets. Now I am going to explain about electromagnet. A soft iron bar behaving like a magnet. When a coil of wire wound over it carries current, its magnetism is soon lost when the current in the wire is switched off. That means an electromagnet is also a temporary magnet. It depends on the flow of electrons. When the electrons will flow through the wire by the battery, then the iron nail or iron bar will behave like a magnet. But after disconnecting it from the battery, very soon the iron bar or iron nail will lose its magnetic properties. That means an electromagnet is a temporary magnet, and an electromagnet works on the magnetic effect of the current. You can easily make an electromagnet. Look at the picture. There is an iron nail and it is wound with a wire, and the ends of the wire are connected with a battery. So from the battery, when the electrons will flow, the iron nail will behave like a magnet, and if we disconnect it from the battery, iron nail will not attract any magnetic materials. So this is about electromagnet. Hope all of you understand my explanation. Thank you so much. One important advice to all of you that stay home, stay safe, learn from BSS online education and perform your prayers 5 times a day.